Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 18th August 2026. Shares of 197 Communications faced a downturn following a notable block deal involving Resilient Asset Management, a firm linked to Paytm's founder. It's estimated that shares worth around Rs 2,949 crore were sold in this secondary transaction, with the possibility of extending the stake to Rs 4,895 crore. Goldman Sachs facilitated this considerable share sale as the placement agent. Milky Mist Dairy Food shares made a strong debut on the bourses, listing at Rs 165 a piece on the NSE and BSE, nearly 18% above the IPO price of Rs 140. The Rs 1,553 crore issue received an overwhelming response, with overall subscription reaching 56.12 times. QIB demand was particularly strong at 155.83 times, while the retail portion was subscribed 8.41 times. The number of microfinance borrowers with multiple loans has significantly decreased. These borrowers still hold substantial outstanding loans, posing a higher credit risk. Portfolio at risk for these stretched borrowers is higher than others. The microfinance market saw a record peak in loans outstanding recently. Stricter underwriting practices are helping the sector recover from past challenges. Qatar Post, in partnership with India Post, has launched POS Transfer, a new remittance service aimed at simplifying money transfers. This service focuses on enabling direct transactions to UPI-linked bank accounts in India, with transfer amounts ranging from Qatari Riyal 10 to Qatari Riyal 4,000 for a nominal flat fee. This collaboration not only streamlines fund transfer processes but also strengthens the financial relationship between Qatar and India. The RBI's early closure of its special FCNRB deposit swap window has raised concerns over policy certainty. Banks had mobilized $52.3 billion under the scheme by August 14th, prompting the RBI to shut it on August 31st instead of September 30th. Bankers say the move could disrupt dollar borrowings and leverage plans, while raising questions about India's investment policy predictability. India's prime office market shows continued strengthening and rising rents. Bengaluru remained a standout performer, while Mumbai and Delhi NCR also saw healthy momentum. These cities collectively leased 9.8 million square feet in the second quarter. Bengaluru rents rose 10.7% year-on-year, and Delhi NCR saw a 7.6% increase. Mumbai's prime office rents experienced a 4% year-on-year growth. Axis Bank is broadening its corporate banking services beyond just lending. The lender targets fee income and low-cost deposits from corporate ecosystems. It handles collections, payments, trade finance, and salary accounts for businesses. Investment banking and wealth management services are also offered to companies and their promoters. This strategy aims to build liability and fee franchises by managing more corporate cash flows. Multi-Commodity Exchange of India, or MCX, plans to invest up to Rs 200 crore to launch dedicated coal and minerals trading platforms as the government seeks greater price discovery and transparency in domestic markets. MCX has incorporated separate entities for their businesses and received SEBI approval to invest about Rs 100 crore in each. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.